Hey friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing great. Today's video, we're going to talk about some deals over at Walgreens that most of you can probably do. And we're also going to revisit a deal for a nail file too with that. So a little bit of a mixture of different Revlon, very inexpensive products. So hopefully you guys love this video. Just to revisit something really quickly, this 10 off of 30 that's valid from the 19th to the 25th, well, there were 3 of them the week previous and they just pulled all of them. This one apparently is working in store where you can get $30 in merchandise and get the $10 off. And it is okay to use your Walgreens cash in concert with that, just to let you guys know. But like how frustrating it's been where things are working and then they're not working and blah, 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 blah. But this one apparently is working in store. Now, this one is for the 24th to the 30th, so next week. And this one you have to pay cash. And this showed up yesterday, I think. And what I mean to pay cash is to actually pay with, paper Benjamins, credit card, debit card, that sort of a thing to get your $5 of Walgreens cash. So there are 2 different boosters. But yeah, it was really funny. There was a whole bunch the week previous and they just pulled all of them because I guess there was an issue with them and you could only use them online, but now you can use it both in store. Many people have been confirming on social media. And where to find these boosters is to go into your digital coupons folder. You may or may not have them. It's always your mileage may vary. So just take a quick second to look for them. And I just found them like right towards the top of my digital coupons folder. Okay, so let's talk about this. This is a Revlon eye quad, so eyeshadow quad, 16 hour for $5.19. This is an online price, and as you can see at the very bottom, if you look right at the bottom, it says pick up or ship. We're going to opt for one of those pickups where you drive up to the store and just park yourself in a space and then just call a number and then they'll bring it out to you. That's what we're going to do with this. And as you can see below it, it's not just this brown color. There's I think like 4 different variations of it. There's a lavender one, a really pinky one, so pick whichever one you want. It's not just the one that I have photographed, because this one might get cleared out of your store really quickly. So if you want a different one for $5.19, you can choose. There's a whole bunch of different colors. Okay guys, so as I was saying, the pick up or ship, so we're gonna opt for the curbside pickup or in-store pickup, whatever they're going to call it, but you basically drive to the store in a designated parking lot, call a phone number, and a staffer will bring it out to you. That's what we're going to be opting for this, so we can get the online price for the deal. Okay, clear as mud. Okay, so in a basket online, we're going to just add one of these for $5.19, and be sure to pick whichever color you wish. There's like 4 or 5 of them. So add exactly 1 to your basket, and then we have a $5 digital coupon. You must clip this one, and as you can see, it's off of one Revlon cosmetic. The exclusion for this is a nail or a kiss balm, but we're grabbing that cute little eyeshadow, so it will work in concert with this. So this is right till the 30th, so if you wanted to do this later, you even have that option. So hopefully your store has some in stock, and it's your local store, so it's a little bit more of an equal deal. So there you have that. So as you could see for that eye quad, that $5 coupon is in fact attaching. So I just threw it into a basket and it's being applied. So how wonderful is that? Okay guys, and just to decipher your order summary, you put one of those eye quads, Revlon eye quads, for $5.19 in your basket. We're opting for the free pickup or curbside pickup, whichever one you want to call it. And that's completely for free. In Michigan, that's 31 cents a tax. So yeah, it's a little bit. And that $5 manufacturer coupon is working perfectly. So the new total for me with tax is 50 cents. Every state, the tax is a little bit different. But it's 19 cents before that manufacturer coupon. And how wonderful is this deal? There are other cheaper items too in the Revlon line, but you're looking for stuff that's in that $5 neighborhood. If you don't want the eye quad, if you want like a mascara or something like that, just get creative, look what they have, and see what your store has in stock. And let's look at this deal now with this $3 coupon. So hopefully you were able to load both of them, and I just looked for this under cosmetics, or if you look up the Revlon eye makeup, they should just both pop, and it's a $3 coupon, which is still quite generous. Now, if you remember, the eye makeup is on a buy one, get one 50% off. If you look at the screen towards the bottom, it's there in red. It says buy one, get one 50% off. So in this basket, select whichever colors you want, grab, say you want a purple one and a brown one, grab one of each, but I'm going to go with 2 of these brown ones just to keep it easy. And remember, it's on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion, so that's why the number is $7.78. It's not $10 and some change. So as you could see, my $5 coupon got reduced down, as did that $3 coupon. It also got reduced down. Okay, guys, so looking at the order summary, 2 of the quads is $7.78. Remember, it's on a BOGO 50% off. We're opting for that pickup or curbside pickup, whichever one you want to call it, which is completely for free. You drive to the store, they bring it out to you, and it's magic. Plus, we have our tax here in Michigan. So with the manufacturers, it gets reduced down to $6.47. So the final price point of what you're paying is $1.78. Now, right here, you can opt to use a little bit of Walgreens cash and pay 78 cents if you wish. But to get 2 iQuads for that price point, that's kind of awesome, I think. It's really good. Okay, so now looking at this nail file, this has been going on all month long. So if your store might have some in stock, you can do this deal. It might be out of stock though, but they're $1.69 and they're on this promotion of buy 2 get $3 of Walgreens cash, and these are like $1.69, which is really inexpensive. Okay guys, into our basket we're going to add 2 for $3.38. So as you can see, that's really great. And it says there's a coupon, but there isn't a coupon. The coupon is actually the promotion that keeps popping up of buy 2, get $3 of Walgreens cash. So our order summary, $3.38 for the 2. Our pickup is free. 20 cents of tax, so $3.58, and then you will get back $3 of Walgreens cash in this order. If you want to use some Walgreens cash to pay down your balance, you will still earn this because this is $3 when you buy, so it's not a spend offer, so you should still get it. So how wonderful is that? And yeah, it's just a great little deal for some cheapies, and I know a lot of you really love this sort of stuff, so I would do this sooner than later. How wonderful are these deals? Okay, so before I take off, we have a new year, new me. I think a lot of you should be shopping over at the Dollar General. Weeks that are very slow over at Walgreens, there's always something really great at the Dollar General, or we can find something really great, including 91-cent toilet paper. I mean, it's fantastic. Now, I will leave this video linked in the notes and at the end if you want to check it out, but I think this is a store that a lot of you who are just loyal to pharmacy shopping should maybe check out. And then if you go over to your Fetch Rewards gallery, savings are even deeper if you might have these rebates, like 75 cents for the Cottonelle and a whole bunch of other different accumulative ones. Check out the Fetch Rewards app, see if you have it in your discoveries page, because these are very hot paper rebates and they are just absolutely fantastic. And check out that video too at the Dollar General because it's going to be a great Saturday. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.